So what happens when a DIY skate punk beer brand meets a high-end professional video studio? On one side, you have Easy Does It Brew, total skate and punk rock. On the other, Voxel Labs, all corporate polish. You gotta wonder, can this actually work? It brings up some tough questions, and we're gonna answer them. First off, how can a studio that films lawyers get the gritty DIY skate punk vibe right? Well, Voxel's answer is that it's not some sterile office. It's a historic building with actual soul. The whole vibe is pro-casual. It's designed for authentic connection that comes through on camera. Okay, next up, location. Why would a Burbank brand drive all the way down to San Pedro? The answer is simple. It's about radical efficiency, not the commute. It just saves a ton of time overall. Get this, a brand can shoot an entire 10-episode podcast season in just 10 hours. That's just 2 days of shooting, and then you're done. No post-production nightmare. But can a B2B focused studio actually help sell beer at Albertsons? That's the real question. See, Voxel's strategy isn't about direct sales. It's about building authority and capturing mindshare. It's about being the first brand someone thinks of when they walk into a store. That's the goal. When you're the go-to expert, people trust you, and that trust turns directly into sales. Last question. Won't a studio feel kind of fake? This is an outdoor lifestyle brand after all. But here's the thing. The studio is a tool. You get the result without all the usual production headaches. And this is the formula, human, then AI. First, you create high-trust hero content in the studio. Then, you use that perfect footage to make tons of social clips that show the actual lifestyle. So the goal isn't to change the brand, it's to amplify it. Just make its voice way louder. It just goes to show, a pro engine can actually make a raw, authentic brand even more powerful. So, it leaves you with one big question. Is your own content process a tool? Or is it just a burden?